Day 5 of Titanium Live is an optional add-on that you can choose to do if you're either an entrepreneur, a business owner, or someone who would like to own your own business at some point. It's a great opportunity for you to spend an entire day with me in a very, very small group setting where we're going to take some of the things we've learned days 1 through 3 and also day 4 and apply them in a way that you're going to understand how to make these things take your business and take it to another level. I'm also going to share with you some incredible strategies for hiring employees, for marketing, for sales, and just about everything else you need to give your business what it needs to go to new heights. As you know, I'm all about tools. I like to give people tools to help them succeed. And for your business, I'm not going to let you down. I'm going to give you plenty of tools that you're going to be able to go back and implement almost immediately. So if you're an entrepreneur, you're a business owner, you're interested in having your own business, or you've got a side business in addition to the job that you have, this is an opportunity for you to learn much more about business and entrepreneurship than you ever thought possible. One day, small group, you get to spend it with me, and we teach you the skills you're going to need to take your business to new heights. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you. Look forward to taking your business to levels you never thought possible. And remember, lead with your heart.